In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a graphic or photo in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly which buttons to click and how to choose the right file type for your needs, so your design looks great wherever you use it. Start with your design open in Canva and give it a quick scan to make sure everything is exactly how you want it. No elements cut off at the edges, text is clear, and colors look right. When you're ready, look to the top right corner of the Canva editor and click Share. This button is your hub for exporting and publishing, and it opens a panel with several options. In the panel that appears, click Download. This is the option that prepares your design for saving to your device. You'll see a set of export settings, and these settings control the quality and format of the final file. Next, click File Type. This opens a drop-down with the available formats. For graphics and photos, you'll typically choose between PNG and JPG. Let's quickly break down the difference so you can decide confidently. PNG preserves crisp edges and supports transparency, which is perfect for logos, icons, and graphics you want to place over different backgrounds. It's also a great choice for designs with text or sharp shapes because it keeps them looking clean. JPG, on the other hand, is a compressed format that produces smaller file sizes, making it ideal for photographs and anything you plan to upload to the web where speed matters. It doesn't support transparency, but it's efficient and widely compatible. Now select either PNG or JPG based on how you plan to use the image. After choosing the file type, you may see additional options such as a size or quality slider. If you're exporting for print or you need extra clarity, consider increasing the size or quality. If you're optimizing for email or a website and want to keep the file lightweight, a moderate setting is usually enough. If you see a transparent background option with PNG, that's useful for overlaying your graphic on other images or colors. When your settings look good, click Download. Canva will process the file and save it to your device, typically your Downloads folder unless you've set a different location. Once it finishes, open the file to quickly verify it looks the way you expect. If you need to tweak quality or switch formats, just repeat the same steps and adjust the settings. That's all there is to it. Click Share, choose Download, pick your file type, select PNG or JPG, and click Download. Simple, fast, and ready to use anywhere.